She's done for the day.
Now you big thing.
She's run away. Follow. Run.
Please don't put on my face, please. No, ew. No, you put on my face and she's recording.
आप सांस ले रही थी तो मैं आपकी लाइन दे दूँ सीन ड्रॉप हो रहा है
ठीक है, आपकी तरफ से आप direct कर दीजिए।
तो वो क्या करेंगे वैसे करने का शौक है कि वो बहाना ढूंढ रहा है मेरी पूरी
चलिए
देख मुझे एक डायरेक्शन का ऑफर मिल गया है
अच्छा चल
ओके एंड ओवर एंड
चलो I like this one better. So who's asking you nowadays?
I had a great time working with Kunal actually. If you see all of the making stuff, we have only laughed on set. We don't do anything else except laugh and joke, and I don't know when we got this film made.
Kunal is an animal. He will never sleep, he will never eat, he'll never do anything when shooting is on.
My phone, take one. Yeah.
It's been fabulous just seeing him come up with a concept like this. It was not a difficult concept. He could have always, come up with an easier concept and made another kind of a love story and stuff like that. But he chose to come up with something which was challenging, which was different, which is out of the box, which was hopefully clutter breaking, and yet put his space, his sensibility, his way of filmmaking into it and make it the romantic kind of film that he is known for. I mean, how many people really make romantic films today?
And then come
oh tiger making the move
Kunal is a very easy guy to work with. I really had a very chill time.
okay, jump here and then you'll run.
अभी तो कैदियों से मिलने का समय है
And then you get
समय नहीं वक्त बोले
वक्त, yeah. अभी तो कैदियों से मिलने का वक्त ही नहीं. Correct. So then now she sees you there. Okay. So then she comes to, and then you can get up. As she comes towards you, then वो बहुत प्यारा लगेगा. And you look very nice. If you're like this.
now अच्छा लग रहा है what you were saying भाई बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है
अभी तो कैदियों से मिलने का वक्त भी नहीं.
I feel more closer because I've worked with him on Hum Tum.
Yeah, ये correct. One. Rehearsing and action.
तो उसकी सबसे प्यारी चीज अल्लाह को प्यारी होती है should I give you that
Yeah. पाटिल साहब आप बोलिए.
And there are several places where if I felt that decisions made by him.
You started here. तुम्हें कितने बच्चे चाहिए? With the reflection and that she puts that down and you tilt up. शादी नहीं होगी तो बच्चे कहाँ से?
And if I realize that maybe that's not what should have been, then I would feel more comfortable walking up to Kunal and say, Kunal, let's not do this. This is the problem I face.
मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ यहाँ रख दो मैं आपको दोनों देता हूँ ये और ये दोनों मिलेगा मोमेंट मिलेगा ना
I love working with him. He's a very, very warm, positive, happy director. He is open to suggestions. He hears you out. He's also clear of what he wants.
So after he opens the door, camera will be on him. Shock. Then pan to you. Shock.
I'll scream.
You'll scream. Pan to him. He'll scream.
Love you.
like you
एक हल्का स्लिप भी हुआ. Holding it. I'm going to take a bite and we'll come.
And I think it always helps to work under that atmosphere because, what's the point of being too serious at the end of the day? It's a fun film, and I think the mood of the team will reflect in a film. And I think he's very aware of that.
Kunal was trying to tell Shahid how to do a song like a hero. Like how to do it like a hero. Not like the way Shahid was doing, but just how to do it properly. How Kunal wanted him to do. So I told Kunal, ki you only do it and show, na? So he said, Acha, what is there? I'll do it. So I did the whole song, that entire sequence with Kunal as my hero instead of Shahid as my hero. Which was by the end of it, how much we all have laughed. It was really funny. But Kunal did it very well. It was kya aashiki thi aankhon mein, and all. It was very we laughed so much.
I've told Kunal this many times. I think I've played him in 3 different eras in this film.
And you casually pull him and then you throw it down and then you sit on top of him. And you say Javed. And you say Javed. You put it down. Thank you. Okay. Bye.
Learn these things. लड़की के पास आने का बहाना ढूंढा गया.
I think there's a Javed lying there inside Kunal somewhere. जो अब तो बेचारा वो, you know, he's married and all that, so he has to behave Sharif. But there's definitely a Javed inside him somewhere.
Chest से आए, lips पे आए, एक smile किया and cut.
Kunal is a fantastic director. I love him.
Situation जो है बड़े बदमाश लड़के का गाना है. वो जेल में अंग्रेजों के बीच में ये गाना गा रहा है.
मेरे से बड़ा बदमाश.
नहीं थोड़ा कम. आपका कहने का मतलब क्या है?
देखे है ना, देखे नहीं.
नहीं खे नहीं.
तो टू नहीं है.
नहीं लेकिन खे नहीं है. खे नहीं है.
बहुत बढ़िया. It's a tune. When I'm doing this, you will find a lot of words probably.
Sounding like that.
और एक चीज़ कहना चाहूँगा कि ये थी तो एक मुख्तसर मुलाकात कुणाल कोहली के साथ, लेकिन एक लाइफ लॉन्ग का रिलेशन बन गया.
देखो डायरेक्टर और म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर.
एक आदमी जो इतना शार्प है, सिचुएशन बिल्कुल अच्छे से समझता है, एट द सेम टाइम he knows what is wrong, what is right.
2 things which I need. One is I want the opening guitar little longer. Dum 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 dum. I want it little longer and I want to make M2 M1 and M1 M2.
और बात करने का तरीका बहुत अच्छा है उनका, जिस तरीके से वो पेश करते हैं कि नहीं यार वाजिब भाई ये इसको ऐसा हो सकता है, इज वेरी स्वीट.
ऐसा चाहिए. अभी थोड़ा स्टैकेटो हो गया. उसको जैसे उसकी सांस चली गई. एक्टर की लगेगी ऐसे.
saying कि उसको अगर वो सीधा कर सीधा रखे.
अरे ये तो स्टाइल था उनका.
अरे सांस लेंगे.
बट इसमें थोड़ा सुन लो एक और बार सुन लो. I heard it twice. It's not sounding very as good as.
Okay, तो I'll give 2 options. Okay, you save this.
Yeah, we'll save this. I will try that out.
तो आई थिंक जहाँ भी माहौल इतना अच्छा होगा काम अच्छा ही होगा. तेरी मेरी कहानी ऐसे ही नहीं बनती.
Got it.
To watch more, log on to www.erosnow.com.